I wanted to show you a little Procreate tutorial. So you pick a canvas, and of course you can create your own canvas size, but I'm using 3000 by 3000. And I wanted to just show a little bit how the layers work. And I'm going to use a calligraphy pen, which is called Monoline, and that's a good straight line to use. And I'm going to show you how to make a cute eye. So this is how I do it. So I'm going to draw a circle first, but I have to adjust the thickness of my line. And so the bottom gauge makes the line darker or lighter, as you can see. So sometimes just the way I'm holding the iPad, I touch that by accident and I can't figure out why my pen's not working, but it's because I made that line go all the way to the bottom to make the line totally invisible. So when you pull that bar down, it makes the line thinner, the top bar. When you pull it up, it makes it thicker. So I'm trying to find what thickness I want to use, and I like kind of a medium thickness. So that looks pretty good. And I'm going to draw a circle. Now you can draw a really bad circle, and all you have to do is close it up and hold it, and then touch the screen, and it'll be a perfect circle, and then let it go. And make sure you take the pen off before you let it go. Now to fill the circle, you just touch the black and put the pen in, but then draw it to the right, and see this shows the threshold. If you don't pull it to the right, sometimes when you look close, you can see a little separation between the outline and the filling. And if you're doing a fabric repeat pattern, which is what I do a lot of, it really can mess that up. So I'm going to do my next color, and I picked a second layer that's on top of the first layer, and I'm going to make that white. So the black will be like the outline of the eye. This is how I do it, and then I'm going to fill that in with white and also check the edge to make sure that it doesn't have any broken areas. Then I'm going to make it green, the iris. So I'm going to do another layer and draw a circle, close it up, put my finger on the screen, and then fill it in and position it to where I want it. I just want it in the middle. This makes a really cute eye. I'll show you what makes it come to life though. So there's the green. Now I'm going to do another layer. I'm going to add another layer, and you just touch the plus sign at the top of the menu for another layer. And I'm making the pupil, that's black. I'm going to fill that with black. And then what makes it come to life is putting a little white shine dot on it. So I'm just adjusting the positioning here to make it in the middle. The expression of the eye can be changed just by moving the iris and the pupil. There we go. Doesn't that look cute? So now I'm going to put those layers together. So learn from me. Always do each step on a separate layer, because you can just put them together like that. Once you put them together, you can click that select tool at the top left there, and then it'll select the whole layer. I would also recommend that you copy, before you merge your layers together, that you copy that whole canvas, just so that you have all the separate layers somewhere else. So I just made two eyes, and now I'm going to join those together by merging my layers. and those two eyes became one element. So now I can move them together by selecting the tool. As long as you stay on the canvas, you can undo any of the steps. Once you leave the canvas and go to the gallery, you won't be able to undo the steps. So I'm just going to draw a goofy face just to kind of finish it off here. But so here's my little head, and then I'm going to just draw a line for the mouth, and that's it. So I just wanted to show you that, and hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.